Hello everyone, welcome to my channel KnowHow Kumar, an ultimate destination of art of mastering the data analysis and MS Excel. Hope you enjoyed Durga Puja very well. So now today I am came with a new video on the pivot table. So you know how important is the pivot table. It's a pivot table is called as a backbone in MS Excel. So today we will see and deep dive the all about the pivot table, and just hope that you will enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe and just encourage me. Comment me if you need any more videos on any other topics.
Hi everyone. So as we discussed, so today I'm going to tell you about how we can create this pivot table. So basically, this is Excel sheet. Okay, having this data, shopping mall data. We having like DMart, Star Bazaar, Big Bazaar, Reliance Fresh. So these are the shopping centers, and these are the products, and these are the units sold. These are the names of month, which month, what is the quantity have been sold, and this is the revenue from this quantity, and this is the cost. So basically, now how we can create the pivot from this data. So there are two methods. One is directly that you can just select this entire data, okay, from first to the last. Now the shortcut is Alt D P. Okay, Alt D P. And then you can do next. Then next. It will ask you where do you want to put the pivot table, whether it is in a new worksheet or existing worksheet. So always it is suggested that keep to the new worksheet, because it will give you the ample of a space to do your analysis and other works. So let's finish this. Okay, so this was the one method. The second method, I can tell you that just you can go to the insert, and insert you can get the pivot table. See, so new worksheet, again it will ask existing. Can put OK. Now the pivot table has came. Now this, if you will put the cursor over here, this will not reflect. So if you will click on this area, this is called pivot area, then only this pivot table field sections will appear. This is the layout. So now there in pivot, there are 4 sections. Here you can see like this is called filter, this is columns, and this is row, and this is values. So we'll see that where what we use. Let me just zoom. Yeah. Okay. So where we apply filter, where we where we apply columns, and where what will apply for values, and then rows. So what we will do, anything if you want to keep, its name is row. So anything if you want to keep as a row, so you need to select, or you need to keep that item into the row table. So here, suppose shopping center, we want to just see that in shopping center, okay, what are the sales has happened, what, how many revenues, cost, like that. So just we kept the shopping center. So basically what it did, just given the all the names of the unique name of the this thing shopping center. Okay, basically pivot table summarize the entire data, okay, and it give you the unique result. So now this is shopping center. Now if you want to keep the revenue, so you can keep revenue in values, because this will always give you value, sum of the revenue. So entire Big Bazaar, what is the total sum of the revenue? DMart, what is the total sum of revenue? GeoMart, what is the total revenue? So this will give you the summary. Good. Now suppose if you want to put any kind of filter, okay, so suppose I applied the product into the filter. Okay, now this will give me the options to select. I want to see only the natural fruit juice. Okay, so I will select this natural fruit juice, and I will keep OK. So this will give me the selling of this only natural fruit juice, that Big Bazaar, how much revenue we have earned. Okay, like that we can select the multiple. For that, select the multiple items options. Now you can select like bingo potato chips, okay, along with natural fruit juice. And now you can click on the okay, so you can combine, you can see the revenue. Same way you can just, if you want to select all, you can do and do okay. So here it is the overall. Now what we use basically in columns. So columns generally use like a month, year. So if we want to compare two year revenue or 2 year sales data, profit data analysis, so then where in columns we will apply like month, year. Okay, so you can put month. So here you can see, so Jan, Feb, March to till December, the entire sales revenue has details has came. Okay, that Big Bazaar revenue from Jan to December, DMart revenue from Jan to December, like this. Okay, so we can see the month on month. Okay, now suppose I just am removing the this thing month data. Okay, and keeping this thing again another values called cost. So now the this item having revenue and the cost. Now suppose I want the one more profit over here. Okay, but we know that there is in data there is no profit column. Either what we will have to do for profit, I have to calculate like this profit, and then profit for this what will be the profit, revenue minus cost. Okay, this will give me the profit, but I don't want to use the formula over here in the data. Again, I will have to refresh, select the entire range, everything. So I don't want to do this. So if you don't want to do this, then how you can do? There is an options. So just click on this, keep your cursor on the pivot table. Now this pivot table analyze options will come. Okay, now click on this. If you will just, if your cursor will not be on the pivot, suppose here, you will not be able to see, okay, this options. So for this options, your cursor need to be on the pivot table. If you will put the cursor on the pivot table, then only you will be able to see the pivot table analyze or design options. Okay. Now in pivot table options, if you will click, you will get like refresh, change data source. Okay. And the other option also field item selects. So if you will click this field item, there will be an options called calculate field. Okay. Here, if you want to add any extra column here, okay, you can add. Suppose I want profit. Okay. So name, give the column name profit. Now what formula if you want to do? So my formula is simply revenue minus insert this, then just minus cost. Okay, insert and add. Okay, so now see, simply revenue, cost, and profit directly came without calculating in the base data. Again, I want to calculate the profit percentage. How I will do? This is very important because no one teach this, and while in the interview also, the interviewer asked these questions that how you can generate the this formula without adding any informations into the base sheet. So see, suppose percentage, I want profit percentage. Then what we will do? Profit percentage means what? That profit divided by total revenue. Okay, so I will select profit, then divided by revenue, insert, and then add. Okay, so this will give you, this is profit percentage. So convert it into the percentage. We will go, and here it is currency. So here it is percentage. So 58 percentage, 59 percentage. If you want to see after one decimal, you can see. So now my analysis is ready. Like these are the mall's name or shopping center's name. These are the revenue. Okay. And this is the cost. This is the profit. And this is the profit percentage. If you want to see monthly, okay, then also you can see like this. You can put here in filter column and you can just select month on month. Okay. That if you want to see for January, okay. So just select January and you can see January, this is the amount. Now again, if you want to see like January and okay, so it's a date wise. Okay, it's a date also, month also. So entire thing is. So you can like you can select accordingly and you can see the result. So this is the pivot. Now in pivot itself, this is the one row level. I want to see the multiple row. Okay, in my in rows only I want to see the product also. Here it is product I want to see here. Okay, I will just put product here. So see, now I can see the entire Big Bazaar revenues here, and this under Big Bazaar, what are the this thing product? Big Bazaar, this is the product name. And what is the product name? What are the revenue earned? What is the cost? What is the profit? What is the profit percentage? And entire Big Bazaar, this comes into the one line. So this way you can analyze your entire data into your pivot summary. Okay, this will give you the total grand total, and this will give you the against one by one by the shopping center. So hope this you like this pivot table informations. If you want any more detailed information, you can just comment on the comment sections. I will let you know in more details. So thanks for watching. Request you to like and subscribe. Thank you.